everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what I received from my tea bag. What this is, it's a monthly subscription for a t-shirt. It is $14.99. My very first month when I first started this, I got my t-shirt for $1.49. And then 1 month, I've had this for a while, and then 1 month they sent me the wrong shirt. So I got a free month. And, the company is really good, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I think it's worth the money. I have washed and worn a couple of the shirts, of course. One of them kind of shrunk a little bit more than I would have liked. But the other ones seem to be holding up really well. So I do think they are made of high quality material. I will go ahead and, oh, Brooklyn's already looking at my next box over there that's not covered by my blanket. Let me cover that box. I'm going to be doing another video after this one. So she's already wanting all my stuff. Let me put this one over there. Okay, I just don't want her to eat cardboard. But back to the tea bag. Let's go ahead and put these under my blanket. And let's see what I got. Okay, so they sent me two, which is kind of what I'm getting at. I'm not sure why they sent me two. Maybe I didn't get mine last month and I forgot. I don't know. I hope they didn't send me the same shirt twice. I really don't know. I just don't remember. So let's see. Okay, so the first shirt here. These are unisex, by the way, so they're for men or women, and I always order a size small. So this says Genius, and they have a very small collection of shirts that you can choose from. It's probably about 10 shirts that you can choose from, so you can't just scroll down a huge website and pick a shirt. No, it's not like that. They have about, like I said, 10 shirts to choose from. You can always skip a month. If you don't see any t-shirts that you like, you can skip that month. But, I always tend to see something that I do like, something that I probably would wear. And if not, one of my teenage kids would probably wear it. But, so I did pick this one out. Like I pick all of them out, so. But I just wanted to let you know that I do have the tea bag referral. I think it's a referral link. Maybe not. Maybe it's just their website, but it's in my description box. So let me see what else I got here. I think I did contact the tea bag because I wanted to know if they did have a referral link. I believe if you use my email as who referred you, I think I do get some sort of kickback on my next month or something like that. So if you do decide to check this company out, my website, my email is Kelly, Kellie, 1969, which is the year I was born, at iCloud.com. So that would be my email address that you would use as a referral person if there's somewhere down that says who referred you. So that would be helpful to me if you do decide to check this out. Okay, so this is a different shirt. All right, I do remember this one. It says Stay Weird. I like the colors. I like the pink. I like the blue. I think the saying is pretty cute. Stay weird. I do dress a lot younger than I am. I know that. I'm a t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie type person with jeans. So I get that some of these shirts might look a little immature for someone of my age to be wearing. But yeah, this is 100% cotton. This shirt is. And it is by Gildan. So that is a good brand. It is 100% cotton, so it will shrink. Are they all like that? I didn't really check the other ones. So this is Gildan, and it is also 100% cotton as well. So both of these are going to shrink up some. Now they're like unisex, like I said. So, shrinking up a little bit is okay. but I don't want them to shrink too much because I don't like short shirts. I don't like tight fitting shirts. So since these are made for a man or a woman, I don't think that's going to happen in the wash. But there was one that I washed that wasn't, it just shrunk too much. I mean, I don't know what happened. I dry everything on low heat. I don't know. I mean, I still wear it. It's not like a kid size now, but it's, you know, it's a little bit shorter, I guess, than I'm comfortable with, I guess you can say. I don't remember which shirt it is. I'd probably have to drag them all out here and show you, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so that is my tea bag. I love it. But anyway, everybody, if you do use my referral link, or at least use the link and use my email address as someone that referred you, that would help me because it would take money off of, you know, the cost of this. Anyway, everyone, give this video a thumbs up if you can. Please leave a comment down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great, great day.